Hi, I'm joined by James from Carron Bathrooms for another Member Monday interview. James, welcome. First of all, tell us about the company.
Morning, Tom. Thanks for having me. Yeah, I'm the managing director of Carron Bathrooms. We're an acrylic bath manufacturer based in Falkirk in Scotland. Our roots are tied into the old Carron company, which was founded way back in 1759 as Ironworks, and through that evolution moved into iron, steel, and then bathtubs, eventually acrylics in the 1960s. Carron was founded in 1982 out of receivership from the original Carron company, and since then we've specialised exclusively in acrylic bathtubs, panels, whirlpools, and some freestanding, and we're still manufacturing in the same site in Falkirk. The last part, unfortunately, of what at one point was 4,000 people, but yeah, we're still going here. We're going strong with a workforce that's been incredibly loyal with us, and we're looking to constantly improve what we're doing in what are changing times.
So a company kind of steeped in history, but you've not stood still. And I've been talking to you about some of the modernisation that you're doing on site there in Falkirk. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so pre-COVID, we were looking at where the bottlenecks were in the plant, how we could improve our efficiency, get the productivity levels up, something that we hear widely in the economy all the time about Britain's productivity puzzle. And for us, you look at it more closely. We've invested heavily at the beginning of the plant, which is the moulding section where you form the acrylic bath into shape. But the secondary stage, the reinforcement stage, which is a composites of reinforcement glass and resin, to be truthful, we hadn't really advanced it. And we got involved with automation, and we've brought in, as it stands, 3 robots which are now carrying out the spraying function. They carry out some trimming and drilling, and then packing. So effectively the plan would be that we would manufacture to the same specification as we always have. This was not an opportunity to de-specify, we won't do that, but it was an opportunity to improve how we did it. And to give you an example, we would nominally have around 11 people operating a line to get the right amount of reinforcement and the quality assurance levels right. The new line takes away some of that requirement, and 6 operators will be able to run the line in the same way. Additionally, the robots don't take holidays as it stands, so it does improve our overall efficiency. It's also permitted the plant to move to a 4-day working week, an extended 4-day week, which has helped offset some energy costs. And it gives us greater flexibility to bring people out on a Friday when required, to keep up with demand. So it's been a big undertaking. We've had huge support from the workforce. They've been completely bought in from the beginning. They recognised that the plant had to move itself forward. We've got a good number of people who've been with us for over 35 years. So as you can imagine, some of them are looking towards their retirement, and they want to know that the plant keeps investing. And it's been a big challenge, to install it, but it's working really well now. And the results we're seeing are really encouraging. And it's, like I say, it's what I think a modern business has to do. It can't rest on its laurels. We want to maintain our reputation for quality and service, but we had to improve the way we manufacture in terms of efficiency.
It's a great story, but you're not just looking at the process, you're looking at materials as well, aren't you? Tell us a little bit about the innovation in that area.
Yeah, we are. So, we are principally cast acrylic, and that's the way we manufacture. What that allows us to do is to make designs that aren't compromised. So we use a 5mm sheet that allows us to mold to the tightest radiuses to produce the best possible bathing experience. We always look around. We don't try and be trendsetters. We're trying to manufacture products that look good in the modern bathroom alongside the guys that are doing the ceramics. But there is a new material. We've seen a movement towards some colours and finishing, and that's coming in the new year. We launched a product called Additions, which is designed for a certain part of the market where the bathtub is installed into a plinth. We've worked with a manufacturer of acrylic to improve the material, and we've got that coming very early in the new year. We're really excited about it. I'm not able to tell you exactly what the material is called at this time because we're just getting everything registered and trademarked, but we're very, very excited about what the product is. The performance level is excellent. And again, it's looking at the changes in some finishes and giving ourselves, what we've always done here is try and innovate, and that goes back literally centuries. And we're trying to do that again. And this product that's coming through in matte white finish, which we already have, we believe the product we're bringing in is going to give us another commercial advantage.
So keep an eye out for that step forward. James, always a pleasure to catch up with you. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Tom. Take care.